Welcome to my channel MorDock Clay and visit my video also and every week more about the process made the pottery in Khmer handmade, Khmer design, modern style, Khmer empire and Angkor temple, Bayon temple, Banteay Srei temple and technique. So come to visit, enjoy to visit my workshop here. Yes, this is the first start to make clay and his strength, something the clay not have the sand, the stone and something least trees and not good clay and strength to dry for the before come to make the pottery. Start for the make the set and the pots for make and all the style set in the wheel, potter wheel, and then the cut for the smooth and cut the bottom like the bowl or any style. After then for the cut and the smooth, and then for the gouing by Khmer design and first from temple. And here he have a lot of skill, make handmade or the animal or the man, the people like send the photo and of the culture by hand from the Angkor and make the Angkor, the from Bayon and Banteay is the customer like to order. The start for firing and the glazing, put the natural glass before to fire and make the second time firing and before start. After glazing for the natural clay made from the wood ash, the clay and the rocks, and before to put the fire at the kiln and fire second time 1300 degrees. For the become after fire finish to become stronger like carving and made by hand after fire second time, first time firing, and then become strong ceramic like that. For the space make the vase or put something is the hotel or restaurant. This cup for the coffee cup and water and drink something tea, and like for the Khmer style and for the decoration, home decoration and technique for the Khmer alphabet and Khmer gouing like from the Banteay Srei temple gouing, and then some like the restaurant for the use the something food, and I made from the plate or bowl like some put the plant or have the gouing like the specific and the store the gouing Khmer, some the plate like that or the off the style for the food or some the steak and some the main course of a lot. And this style for put the soap, this for the hotel bathroom. Here for the oil burner, put the oil, some smell in the bathroom and the bedroom. For the smell, put the hotel, and then a lot the local Khmer and in the world to like this style for the use something, and this, and then for the animal and some like the Buddha for the Khmer culture and people like to put the decoration and the home. And then after you want to see the hotel or restaurant and use the something, all the product here, you can come to join with me. Now in here's Khmer lot, Khmer lot, and to visit in the side for the my house for decoration and all the product from the MorDock Clay channel, and put some display here. You can to see inside. Okay, this lobby for the guests and the station for the reception here. Display and fruit basket for the made from the clay, made from ceramic, and the pot, my pot design here for the flower pot from the ceramic here. Okay, in this here for the decoration and grand for design and my lot for the and green, some like tree and some like a lot of for the natural here. Here for the garden and my house is a pool for the decoration and the card and of from wood, and then for the big house for the in my lot here. The culture is my house made from wood. Then for the plant from this to visit, and this for the lion and the bedroom for the plant and the vase, and then for the inside room here the plant pot like from the ceramics, and then for the teapot and the cup of tea or coffee, like, and for the like teapot and set to tea, and the flower vase, and here this all the vase, and then for to see the bedroom, like wow, so something like a deal or like so press here, and like the horse, or something design, and the bedroom or the my style in my lot, like scarf, like a scarf and display here for like that. Please to visit the restaurant my food for the Domnari side restaurant, and all the Khmer food we have we use for the plate or bowl from the MorDock Clay, and something like a display for decoration and restaurant here. All the products and ceramics. Yes, we have the decoration Khmer style, and all here the restaurant, and put something for decoration like the big vase, my upper bed, and the small vase, big vase, and like the lotus flower, and the reception here, the case for all the products ceramic here in from the MorDock Clay, and like this the big for the story like Angkor temple. Display for the ceramic decoration here, and by the song, my songs here, decoration all the restaurant here, and Sun Sisimut, the best song and my song and those recipes find on here, and display for the table dinner here for the food, my food and something from juicer, the plate or the bowl, some from the ceramic right here, and all the food here, the Khmer foods and the krương and the vegetable foods, though like the this, steam food and for the soup, my soup. Okay, I want to taste my food here and MorDockClay restaurant, and using the all the plate from the ceramic and channel YouTube ceramic MorDockClay, make all the product decoration here or using on the lunch time for MorDockClay. If you want to taste my food, you can come and MorDockClay restaurant. Okay, thank you so much and for the join to visit my channel. Please you have to subscribe and like and share. If you want to see next video, please help me. Thank you.